Hi everyone. Thanks for joining again. Thanks for taking the time to listen in. I just built and made some significant changes to the Opportunity Scout because that's being one of the critical part for you and your profile building journey for EB1A. So specifically for this Opportunity Scout, what I've done is um, right now you can go search for, let's say, North Carolina. You want judging and speaking, and you wanted to do startup tech panel, um, hackathon, um, and then let's add you wanted it for insurance, banking, fintech, on um, say Kafka, coding. Then you just say fintech and see, and then try to save the search. That's one. So all I'm trying to do is like based on my skill set and my areas, what I wanted to focus, I'm trying to add keywords just as much as possible. Try to have focused good keywords is critical, and then what you are requiring, and then state, or let's say you want national or online and remote, you can choose whichever one. I wanted to use state because that's a narrower search, and I want to show you how the search behaves. Online and remote is much easier, national is always easier, but let's get to the part where we would need some specific ones. So I already did a lot of searches just to try if the tool works as it's supposed to be. It works so far. It works really good. I searched for retail tech earlier, and then I got a lot of retail specific events. So now let's search for fintech now. It takes some time because it's an agent that runs behind the scenes and tries to fetch you relevant information that would make your life a lot easier. So what it does is it goes back and finds out based on your profile, whatever you've built so far in the dashboard. It goes and tries to find whether the opportunity that you are getting is, oh my god, the search actually just stopped. Is it? Ooh. Okay. The fintech NC, just the search was running behind the scenes and just got finished, and it is already saved as part of your profile. Until now, the retail AI was the only one. Right now, it has fetched 12 new ones. So Triangle Tech Talks is in North Carolina. There's a place called as Raleigh, which is called as the Triangle area, which is primarily Raleigh, Durham, and Cary. That's called as a triangle. So that's Triangle Tech area talks. And then Tech Innovation, Tech Connect Innovation is again another NC specific events. So these are all the ones which it has pulled up from Insurance Expo in North Carolina, and it gives you how credible the event is, and also the kind of expected impact that you can get out of this one. So, Women in Insurance Tech, again, something which is happening in North Carolina, November 16th. So, it kind of gives you the date as well when it is happening. So, you can go start applying for these events as a speaker, or try to talk to people out there in the event to see if you can. And it is already saved. So let's say, for example, I searched something in the past to check if the tool works well, and then now it is also saved as part of my profile. So all that, whatever you search as events is not going away, so you can always go revisit them. And also, if something makes sense, you can save, bookmark, add it to your profile, and track. Let's say if this one gives you a really good impact score for your profile, and is going to push up your impact score on your dashboard over here, then you can save that, track that, and once it is done, it will increase your petition strength. That way you can make sure that you are heading in the right direction. That's what the Opportunity Scout is all about, where you kind of search for events. So at least you don't need to pay a lot, or probably depend on other people to share events where you can go speak, um, and you're on your own to find out whatever you want, and this AI tool will help you get there. um, uh, so that's the agent that I built as part of this application. This is which will be much more specific and will get you pointed opportunity. And also you can keep changing the keywords to get more variations of searches in a particular area of expertise that you have currently. Thanks a lot. Thanks for taking the time. We'll get back to you in another video.